I still need to clean the box out, but that's not really a summer project because it's too hot in the attic to be up there pulling it out. Just keep forgetting to bring a tripod, so I'll put the camera back where I had it before. And let's see what we can do here. Should work substantially better now. I don't know why this screw isn't fitting through the hole. It is a keyhole opening, so it should have fit through, but it just wouldn't. Oh, that got painted. I gotta get a different driver now. Okay, this should be off. Hopefully it's off, otherwise I'll be in for a nice surprise. Okay, let's see how it works now. The spin down time is still pretty unsatisfactory, but I don't know why. I think, well, I kind of know why, because I couldn't get the thing open because I couldn't find the pullers. But let's see here. Oh yeah, it's moving the air now. Moving a lot of air. Good. Yeah, now I can feel it's moving so much more than it was before. And of course, it would work even better if it wasn't, so full of dust in the top. Well, that's good for now. I'll get it properly serviced eventually.